Hi everyone, how's it going? It's Sunday and it's my favorite day to prep for the week. How many of you are cooking way more than you ever had or ever wanted to? I'm sure a lot of you right now, because this quarantine is ridiculous, right? You gotta eat at home, you gotta make your own food. I've been doing that for a long time already, so I'm used to it, so I've found a few tricks to help me through the week. Especially right now, being home all day, every day, and having to cook and feed multiple people 3 times a day, I'm in the kitchen too much, and I'm getting a little irritated by it. So I said, well, let me get back to my meal prepping. So I'm gonna cook up a bunch of stuff. I'd rather spend a couple hours in the kitchen right now. It's nice, the sun's coming through, I got the music going, I'm feeling good. And then I'm gonna package it all up, fill up my fridge, and all week long, I'm just gonna pull stuff out and warm it up, right? So we're doing all veggies today. We're prepping a ton of veggies. I'm gonna walk you through all the different things I'm gonna do. It's gonna be great. I'm super excited because I'm tired of cooking like every day. So this is really great, and I hope you guys enjoy it. I'm gonna reposition the camera down so I can show you guys what I'm doing, okay? Oh, y'all saw my dirty sink for like a second, huh? Okay, I've already done a lot of the prep work so I could show you guys what I'm doing today. First thing I've got here is a giant bowl of mushrooms and onions. You guys see it? So we've got sliced baby bellas, and I've got sliced yellow onion. We eat mushrooms and onions on everything. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna literally saute all of this in some oil on the stove, and this is gonna be used for one of the greats is breakfast. We love eggs with onions and mushrooms. It can go into a ton of things. There's so many things. It's ridiculous how many things I can do with it. Actually, I'm gonna pick some kale from the garden, and I'm gonna do a saute with the kale, and this can actually go into that too. It's a great topper. It's an addition to tacos. You throw it on rice. Just this on top of rice is great. There's so many things. We don't eat land animals, but if you do, it's great on top of steaks, chickens, pork, everything, right? You can't go wrong with some mushrooms and your onions. So this is gonna go in a pan, and it's gonna get sauteed down, so we'll move that out. And then let's talk our main. We're doing a lot of roasting today, guys, okay? So I want to make veggie tacos for Cinco de Mayo, and just because I love them so much, so I figured let's just do a whole bunch. So I've got 3 heads of cauliflower, guys. 3 heads of cauliflower. I'm so excited. And we're gonna do 2 different flavors. It's all gonna be roasted. So what I've got, I'm actually gonna do packaged seasonings. Yes, packaged seasonings. I am not making my own today, but I think I've gotten some good ones here. So we're gonna try this one out. We've never had it before. Southwest Taco. It's by Simply Organic, so it's really great. It doesn't have preservatives in it. It's all just spices, tomatoes, and peppers, and all kinds of stuff. There is no preservatives, okay? It's a wet sauce packet. You see this? So I don't know how well it's gonna do, but we're gonna do it. We're just gonna toss this. We're gonna pour it on here and toss it all up and put it on a sheet pan and roast it. This is wet, so once again, I'm not really sure the texture it'll come out, but I mean, I usually use olive oil when I'm roasting, so it should be all right. So we're gonna try that one, okay? And then I've got another, this is 2 heads of cauliflower. This is 1. Well, that's like, I took a little from there and put it in here. So our second one, I'm gonna use this Cajun dry spice. I've used it several times and it's delicious. It's really great. It does not have preservatives either. It's just all natural spices. It's gluten-free, there's no MSG. I am a big proponent of it. So this one we're gonna throw on here with olive oil. It's gonna be great, okay? So let's get those prepped and I'll show you guys how we do that. This is a really full bowl. I don't know. We'll see how well I can mix it without making a mess. I'm a real messy cook, you guys. Like, the kitchen is destroyed after I cook. Ooh, this looks fun. That's why I love that Rex likes to clean, because I do not really care for cleaning up. I mean, I clean the whole house like every weekend, but I like the cooking. I like making a mess, not cleaning it up. Okay, so that's a lot right there. This is gonna be crazy to stir. It's a full bowl. Oh my goodness. I don't know what I've gotten myself into. I probably should have like done it in sections, but it's okay. I'm gonna do the best I can. It's kind of working. Probably gonna have to like some olive oil or something too. Okay, I'm gonna get the pan. Okay. Here's our sheet pan. Let's put a little oil. Simple Truth Organic extra virgin oil, some spray. We get a little coconut oil right here. Yeah. Okay, let's just pour this on and see what happens. Woohoo!
It's crazy.
That's a lot. Huh? Okay.
Hopefully it'll shrink down.
Yeah, I don't know. Some of these are really flavored up, some of them aren't, but I feel like it's a good enough spread. So for the cauliflower, roasting cauliflower, 375 on the oven, about 25-30 minutes, and you want to flip them halfway through. It smells good. I'm excited. What I'm gonna do is probably on the toss halfway through, I'm gonna taste one of them and see if they need me to add anything. Okay, so this one's ready. It's gonna go in the stove. I mean in the oven. Second one here. We're gonna do this Cajun. I love it. So I'm gonna drizzle olive oil on here first. Probably about a tablespoon, right? Let's rinse these guys. I'm gonna stir up that olive oil. I love cauliflower. You guys like cauliflower? It's so versatile. There's this cool place in Bellflower. I think there's one in Long Beach too. It's called Stillcraft. It's this little like eatery community thing where they have all these different like there's storage containers that they've turned into little restaurants, but they're just like little stands that you order from, and there's all these cool tables that you can sit on and congregate and hang out. And there's this one, and I can remember the name of it, but it makes these cauliflower tacos that just excite the heck out of me. I'm telling you, I think about them. The first time I had them, I literally went back, drove all the way back over there the next day to get them. I don't know what they do, but it's so good. Ooh, this guy got a lot of seasoning. Look at him. He's going to be super spice. Okay, so there we go. Round two, cauliflower. Yeah. So next, sweet potatoes. This is 2 massive sweet potatoes that I peeled and I chopped up here. Right? I've got 2 separate ones. I'm going to do 2 different things to them. I think I was going to use some of that other seasoning and I forgot. Okay, so we're going to olive oil both of them. That's about good. I like to do 2 different flavors. That way I got some options, right, throughout the week. Mix it up with different stuff. So one of them, so we'll get our salt going. We'll get our pepper. I'm gonna make this one really garlicky, okay? Now I'm just doing all like powders and stuff today. I'm not making any of my own sauces because I don't feel like it, because I already did that the previous week. So we love Flavor Gods. If you're looking for a really good seasoning brand that tastes good and doesn't have any crap in it, Flavor Gods. Garlic lovers. It's almost gone. We love this stuff. I use like probably way too much spices and seasoning. I think that like we're a little immune to stuff now because we've just eaten so much, and then we always put so much more and we add more and more, and now it's like we just need so much. Okay, and then I'm gonna throw garlic powder. Y'all like garlic powder? We are big on the garlic powder. you get the flavor. Garlic salt is like too salty. The garlic powder's nice, and the garlic powder like kind of coats. You see how it's got like a nice coating that it's putting on there too? So for the roasting, it's gonna have that on there. It's gonna be really great. Okay, so this one's gonna be like our super garlicky, wonderful sweet potatoes. And then I think I'm gonna make a sweet potato. Yeah, we like some sweet, right? Everyone's gonna like that. So this guy, we're gonna put some sweet stuff. Let me rinse off these. So I've got some brown sugar here. Whole Foods organic light brown sugar. I'm gonna put about 2 tablespoons. Yes, 2 tablespoons on there. Okay, I think we need some more oil. We want this to stick really well. My dog keeps coming in here hoping I'm gonna drop something. But when I do drop stuff, she doesn't really like the stuff I drop, because I don't drop the good stuff. I'm gonna throw a little agave. Ooh. These are gonna be sticky. Yeah, this is like Costco. Yeah, I'm alright. I think that's. Oh, I could try that, but I think I'm just gonna do this, and then I'm gonna put those cinnamon sticks next to it. It's gonna be so delicious, guys. Oh. Okay, so once the cauliflower comes out of the oven, I'm gonna go ahead and turn the oven up to 425. And then I'm going to switch it out and put these on the pans and throw those in for 25 to 30 minutes, flipping halfway through. Okay? All right, guys. So everything's cooking, and once it's all ready, I'm going to show you the beautiful creations that come out, and you'll have, you know, 7 days worth of veggies to just throw in all kinds of stuff. Okay? All right. See you guys soon. Hey guys. So we're done with our veggies. They all came out beautiful. I'm super excited. I wish there was more of them. Everything came out really great. So we had those 2 different kinds of sweet potatoes. We cooked them at 425 for 30 minutes. Our cauliflower was at 375 for, I think we did like 35 minutes. I'm gonna show you guys how they all came out. Okay, let's see. All right, and I've already put them in containers so you guys can see like I'm ready for the week. So these were those really nice ooey gooey sweet potatoes with the brown sugar, the nutmeg, and the agave. You can see a little sheen on them. They got a really good, nice roast. Made the house smell wonderful. These are going to be a great side dish for a dinner one night. We have our garlic sweet potatoes. These are really good for all kinds of things. I'm probably going to do bowls this week, and so this will make a great addition. This will probably stretch out to like 6 bowls because you just put like a big spoonful. So these are going to be great. We have our mushrooms and our onions. Look at this. Oh my gosh. This is going to make so many meals. This is going to last me probably like maybe 10 days. I'm really excited about this. And then we have our 2 different kinds of cauliflower. This one was our Cajun cauliflower. We're going to use this and this Southwest taco cauliflower. We're going to use these to make tacos. And then we'll have a lot left over. I'm really stoked for this one. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you learned something, and you're gonna go and do some prepping. Really, any vegetables, you know, prepping a bunch of vegetables is a really great way, especially if you want to buy fresh produce, but it kind of goes bad quick. If you cook it all up right when you buy it, and then you put it in the fridge or even in the freezer, it's gonna last you a lot longer. Okay. All right, guys. Thanks so much for tuning in. We'll see you next time.